Today I'm going to make Eton Mess and haven't tried before.
What are you making?
Raspberry jam. Of this sauce that's just heated up. This is some of its original berry, and this is some kind of nice biscuit.
It's called a pavlova.
Pavlova.
And this?
Whipped cream. Just crush it in little pieces. You break in the mini pieces already. Put some in the glass.
Okay.
Like this. Just like this. And it's quite crunchy. Like, put it down. This is going to be one of my favorite parts. Because I like berries. You will put a bit more of this. Cover. Put a bit more of this. And it's going to be really very cool. So right now we are done making it. You see? Nice, right? And you can take a spoon or whatever to eat it, and it's really good. It looks really good. And we will add this at the very end. And I just put some here. Can you see? Can you see? More.